Welcome to channel 2. Yes, today, kaulan ulan sa gawas. Niya, kusog jud siya. As in, kusog. Kusog nga, murag heavy. Heavy nga ulan, heavy rains. So, atong tanawon, what is the kuan? What is the? Atong tanawon, unsa ang message para nimo karon nga maulan ang panahon. Ready na ba ka? Sige. Ato na siya po. Unsa message sa imong tarot cards para nimo karong maulan nga adlaw? Or kung imo ni siyang makita na walay ulan, so meaning it could mean na imong life nag-ulan or something is here. Alam mo? So this card nimo. You are in pain, you are suffering, you are in your night time. Yeah, imong kalibutan is dark. That means sa problema. That's why that's why. Kasi problema nimo. Kasi maghilakan, kasi nakakuha sa imong heart. It's about heart. Let's check. Is it heart or money? Is it money or love? Or both? Love and money or both? Ay, both ba? 16 powers, 57. Emperor, like that. Yeah, you have a problem with 13 and 16. 16 is 29 and 11. Duha yung problema. 16 plus 13, pila man? Plus 1, diba? 6, 7, 8, 9, 39, sakto ba? 39, 3 plus 9 is 11, diba? 11, duha ka 1, duha yung problema. Malagi love and money. I think it's 1, general. Pero, mas intense ang imuha. Like, wait, ha? Itong aon. Or ikaw ni, ang emperor ng White Castle. Yung castle is na burned down because you have some, may debt. Matayon, char. May debt, sige ko, utang. Utang. So, more of buwan ni financial na problema. Diba? Or financial job. Dito tanawon, financial bump. Debt lagi. Debt. 13. Di ba ni? Or 18. And the sun. Wala? The moon, di ay? The sun, the moon. Hala, gabi ka maghuna-huna. Sa imong problema, financial. Masulbad ba ni mo imong problema financial? Ang tanawon, ha? Siya po. Masulbad ba ang problema financial? Akong tanawon sa imong tarot cards. Help! Hala, nimo kang help. What? Yeah, mara nakakuhan. Kapit na ka kapit na kay bitay. Di bitaw. 12. The hangman 12. Ihanggi ka pero it's 12. That means not like Christmas. The answer is yes. It's the hermit 9. Tiyo lang. So, yeah. You're older. You are kuhan. Kanang mature na. I mean, na kayo mga responsibilities. It can be nga ikaw ang ilaw. The light. Ilaw ng tahanan. Or di ba ikaw ang 9. Ikaw ang nataw sa September or something like 19 years old ka. Whatever. Ikaw ang kuhan. Bread, o na, ang paano winner, breadwinner sa family. O di ba ikaw ang saligan sa pamilya. So, ikaw ang high, ikaw ang piling high blood, yung problema o duha buok, love, hindi kasi mo love, di ba kasi imong money, kwarta it means circle, money. And this is you, yung cross, yung burden, na night and day. So, sa yung buhaton. Yeah, the answer was yes, di ba? Is yes, na, anang, masulbad nimo. Pero sa imong buhaton, sa imong kuan, what are your guides? Who or when? Sige, sa imong buhaton. Hala, what's going on? This is, safety na kuan, strength. To have strength, 8. So, triple 8 nimo. Nimo strength, you have to be strong. Hi. This is you. Imong mga lovers. 6 of lovers, meaning you're looking at yourself. You love yourself. But you have many lovers. Lovers doesn't mean na romantic, ha? You have nakikisuportaan. Yung family can be someone important to you. Because someone or someone or some more. Some 2, some 3, or some more. Yeah, mga tao nga kuan. Mga tao nga kanang imong world. They mean the world to you. Charot. So, when daw, be strong. It's obvious na be strong, but specific na kuan message, right? According to yung tarot cards. Specific, yung button. Lagi ba smile ka, or the joker, smile. Okay, well, smile daw, and then judgment. You make your own decision. Kung saan na, whatever decision, kung saan na decision ang imong decidean, it's okay, because you are guided by the kuan, by the kuan spirits. I mean, your ancestry, your beliefs. It can be your religion, your angels, your faith, your God, your yes, See? The tree. May kuan. May tubo ni mga kuan. Something. Hindi mo tubo nga something. It will grow. When you will grow, just laugh it out. You have a friend. And this is you. The 17 of, ano siya? 17 stars. 17 is 1 plus 7. That's 8. See? You have infinite star. That means, you test your kagi. Gusto lang yun nakakaroon na time. Kaya ang judgment for you is you will be double 10. So double 10, that's 100, 200. Diba? It's 10, 10, 1, 0, 1, 0. So it can be like 100 or 1,100 lux. Lux sa bukok. Kanang lucky ba lucky? Yung luck is 10 times and more folds down after this rain, after this challenge. Diba? So man ang message para nimo. Karon na imo ni kuan gitan-aw. Pero what about may kuan? Other parts? Later na siya. Sige, bye.